So if you're facing a collaboration problem over on your Instagram, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix that. So let's jump right into it. So let's say I'm going to post anything. So here I'm going to select this picture, and you can see once I click next and go to tag people, here I have this collaborator option right here. But if you're not having this collaborator option, then what you need to do, just go back from here, go to your profile section and go to settings. In settings, you're gonna go to privacy, and remember, if your account is currently a private account, then make sure to turn this off to make it public. Collaborator does not work over on a private account, so you have to make it public. So just simply click on switch to public. Now just go ahead and retry the process, and over here you will definitely get your collaborator option. So this is how you can fix collaboration problem over on Instagram. So all for today's video guys, thank you so much for watching.